Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Horizon Forbidden West game on your PC or laptop. So to download this game is very simple. First you have to open up your end browser and in the search box just type the Steam and just open up the first website which is the Welcome to Steam. So now from here just click on the login option and if you have an account then just simply sign in, and if you don't have just click on the create an account. So once you create an account, click on the install Steam, click on the install Steam again, then it will start downloading into your PC. So once its setup was downloaded, you just need to install it and simply sign in. So the sign in process was very simple on just Steam. After you sign in, click on the top search box, just type the Horizon Forbidden West, and this game will show on the top. Just click on
Rated
that
T for
game,
teen.
and now here you just need to scroll down and you will see option add to cart like this. So it is obviously not free, you have to pay the $59 to download this game. Click on the add to cart, click on the view my cart, and if there is another game, you can just simply remove it and simply click on the continue to payment. And now here you can simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. You have to just select it and then just simply pay it. So once you pay, the game is added to your Steam library. Go to your Steam library and here in the left hand you will see the Horizon Forbidden West game. So you just need to click on the game like so. Just click on the install, then it will start downloading and installing into your PC. Guys, this is how you can download and install the Horizon Forbidden West game on your PC. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is the only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.